Today I have for you a Boxycharm unboxing. It would be my first time receiving this. I had just started the subscription, so I literally just saw the mailman drive away and I went out there and I grabbed it, and here it is. You're gonna hear some noises because I couldn't wait until Samuel went to sleep, so he is right here in my lap playing with his toys. So let's see how we can get through this. And I haven't peeked. All I did is open the sticker thing on the side. Alright, so it comes with this card and it gives you all the information, but I'm not going to look at that because I want to see everything first. It is so pretty packaged in here. I don't know if you can see. That is beautiful. I already love this. Okay, I can't wait to play. We have the Cover FX Blurring Primer. This is a Aesthetica P12 brush. That looks pretty fluffy. I'm going to open it up. I'm going to wait to do the try on until he's asleep, so it'll be like a different time for me.
It's so soft.
Let me try it. Ooh, soft. And we also have these other Aesthetica brushes. It looks like a trio of a spoolie, an angled liner, and a thin gel liner brush. Got these three right here, which I'm gonna try out. There is this Pretty Vulgar gel eyeliner. And I've been seeing this. I've heard of this company, but I have not tried anything from them yet. It smells fine. I don't know, I just smelled eyeliner. Didn't know what I expected it to smell like, but it smells like makeup. Last, we have a Beauty Creations and Boxycharm collaboration matte lip gloss. When did glosses get matte? So I'm thinking they meant maybe a liquid lipstick? I don't know. It's this really pretty color. Very nice. It smells like berries. And that is a very pretty color. Yeah, it's like a matte liquid lipstick. So that's what's in the box. And I cannot wait for this little guy to take a nap. And I will get in here, play. And maybe this will be like a how to use gel eyeliner. So we'll see. Oh, this is so soft. I'll be back. Probably not today. I don't know when I'll be back, but if I'm wearing different clothes, then it's another day, and I never got to it today. Okay, say bye-bye, people. Oh, you want that? So excited.
I'm closing it. Okay, I'm here. I have you. Did you poop?
I'll be back. Before we go, I did forget to read the little card thing that was in there. So this month there is there's a sculptor palette. There's a surprise.
There's a surprise.
Good thing I looked at the card and I was thinking, oh, that's it. That's all that's in there. But no. See that? It's foam. So you lift that up and oh, there's more! These things are childproof. I know. It's so hard to get open. There it is. It's pretty. Ready? Huh. Oh, they're very blendable. They're like smooth, blendable. Maybe I won't look like a clown. Alright, so now that is all that's in the box. And can I have this card back, please? Thank you, sir. So that palette was $30. The blurring primer was $38. The gel eyeliner is $24. The 3-piece Aesthetica brush is $45, and the 1-piece face brush was $27, and then the matte lip gloss was 10. So this is a pretty big box, and I think that there was a bonus this month. I heard it doesn't usually come with 6 products. Is that right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yes, there's 6. Glad I signed up on the month that there was an extra product in it. I'm super excited, and I can't wait to try this out. Hey guys, I'm back. So like I predicted, it is about 2 or 3 days. It's 4. I don't know. It's been a long time, but it's been a couple of days after the initial clip in the beginning, and I'm finally going to be testing out the products. Now I have swatched, I have played on it with my hand, but I have not applied it to my face yet, and I'm super excited. Today I will be pairing up the things in the box with 2 new palettes from Makeup Revolution that my sweet husband just got me for Mother's Day. It was my first Mother's Day weekend, and he just wanted me to feel super special, and he's learning about what I like. He was telling me that he went into the store with a friend, and he was bending down and touching all the things with swatching. He just doesn't know that word, but he said I was touching everything and I was putting it on the back of my hand, and his friend was like, "What are you doing, man?" He's like, "No, you have to do it." So these are the 2 palettes that he ended up getting because he didn't he wanted the teals in this palette for me because he didn't think he's seen one of those in my collection, and then this one because it was just super pretty and pigmented whenever he did swatch it on the back of his hand. So I'm so happy he's learning. Okay, so let's get started. I am going to be putting on the primer first, the Cover FX Blurring Primer. So since it is not part of this video, I'm going to be doing my foundation off camera, so I will be right back. Okay, so right now I just have foundation and concealer on my face, and since I will be using these brushes, I am going to be doing my eyebrows with these 2, setting powder with this, and my eyeliner with this. My foundation I used was the Covergirl Vitalistics Elixir in Classic Ivory and the Maybelline Master Conceal. Right here I am going in with my NYX Cosmetics Set It and Forget It powder all over the face with the fluffy brush. Okay, moving on to eyebrows. I'm just brushing them into place, and I did not bring my pomade into the room with me, so I'm going to go in with this eyeshadow from the palette that I was using. It looks a lot more bolder than I'm used to, and the color is lighter than what I would usually wear, but hey, I'm working with what I've got. Thank you, Samuel. So I ended up using 3 simple colors and doing my eyeshadow off camera before going in with the eyeliner. Now, this is creamy, it's good, but I am really pretty lazy to keep using gel eyeliner just because I have to clean the extra brush. But I probably will use it again. For the Sculptor palette, I'm using the top brown shade, and it's really creamy and blendable and smells really good. I am then going in with my Luxie brush for the highlighter, and I end up mixing the 2 together. Now this looks kind of sparkly in the pan, but it goes on very glowy, and I compare it to the Resi highlighter, I would say. Oh, thank you. Using the rest of the gel eyeliner that was on the brush and filling in my waterline because I forgot to bring a pencil. Okay, so this lip gloss, I have worn it a couple more times after recording this video, and I cannot get over the sticky feeling that it leaves. It is a very thin layer, and if you forget about it, like, it feels like it should be dried down all the way, but when you close your lips together, it still has that tacky feeling for the longest time. And so here I thought I would do my mascara first and come back to check on the lips to see if it had dried, but lo and behold, it will never feel completely dry. And by the way, the mascara I'm using is the Maybelline Colossal Lash Mascara, and it's amazing. I love it. I use it every time. And on the lip part, the stickiness has gone away. It is completely transfer proof, and it feels like my lips, but better. Like a silky but also a little drying. Like I know it's on my lips. Maybe if I exfoliated my lips beforehand, it would feel a little bit better, but I have crusty lips. So that's as good as it's gonna get. Alright guys, and that's all I have for you today. And if you made it this far, I hope you liked seeing how I use these products for this month's Boxycharm.
Boxycharm?
Boxycharm. That sounds so weird.
And that's it for this week's video. If you enjoyed,
gives it a thumbs up.
If you enjoyed, give it a thumbs up and hit subscribe. And if you want to see my videos every week, click the notification bell because YouTube made that pretty much the subscription button. Which sucks, but
hit the bell. Ding 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 ding, hit the bell. Hit it.
I need to stop recording now. Where are my glasses?
Do 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 do.